Hello everybody, today we make hot sausage with a lentil soup. And the ingredient I got everything in front of me and I was clean, wash, all beautiful. We got Italian hot sausage, tubetti, parsley from my garden, I got so many, lentil, carrots, potato, onion, celery, and I got bay leaf. And this is a thyme from my garden too. And plus we got chicken stock. Let's start with the soup. I got the gas on and we start with the oil. Olio di oliva. E quanto è bella. Look how beautiful color you got this oil. Okay, let's start with the sausage. And we put everything right over here. And now we gotta start to break all the sausage. Okay, you gotta come a nice little piece. Now, that's what it's supposed to look like this. Scramble all the sausage, take a little piece. And now, it's the time of the onion. And we put right inside the onion, and we give a nice, beautiful turn on this. We leave it cook the onion together. But make sure that no burn nothing. Everything you gotta be beautiful. You make a soup, that's what it gotta be, like this. See the onion now? You start to break everything. Okay, now we go with the carrots and celery. See the celery? Okay. And we give a nice, beautiful turn on this. Got this one. This is ready. Oh, I want to eat this is so good, especially with the weather outside. I was work already this morning. I did a lot of work. But this tonight, nice glass of wine, and this. Okay, now it's the time of the chicken stock. Now I use all this chicken stock, but so you don't want it too liquid, make a less chicken stock. Okay, good. Now we give a little turn on this. We leave it start the boil. After this it start the boil, I want to put the potato and the lentil. Okay, now the vegetable was cooked already for 5 minutes together with the sausage. And now we put the lentil. And we put it right inside. At the same time, we put the potato. And we give a nice turn with the potato. Now, this is a chicken stock. You gotta salt everything. And we put a little salt, not too much, like that. Now I got the thyme and the bay leaf. I don't want to put inside the empty go all over the place. And what I do, I got this over here. You stick inside with the bay leaves like that, and you got the cover. And you can cover this like this over here. And you make a turn, and you put this right inside like that. And you take the taste for the thyme and the bay leaves like this. You know, come out, and when you eat, you know, find the little bay leaves and the thyme. And this, it give really good flavor. Okay, now this you gotta cook for half hour. Half hour, we gotta cook the pasta. Now, I cook the pasta separate. A lot of people, they cook the pasta over here. You see how many soup I got over here? See, you put the pasta inside over here, all the soup will go on the stove. You know why? Because this is tubetti. But so you cook inside over here, it come rigatoni. And you don't want a rigatoni, you want a tubetti. And I cook different parts. And how many you need? 1 spoon, 2 spoons of the pasta. You put on a dish. And after you put the soup together, you mix and you eat. That's the way I cook. But you want to cook inside? Be my guest. Cook tubetti. And you eat the rigatoni. Okay, now you see what I said? You need this pasta separate. And you put how many you want. And you put like this. Now it's the time the soup. Okay, you need a little bit more broth. It's really, really nice. Little parsley on the top. Now, see, you want a cheese? Go ahead. Put a cheese too. The way you like. and you even this turn. And look at the pasta. I was cook the pasta the same size it's a cook now. It no grown. But like I said, no live inside of the soup. Okay, come rigatoni. Okay, now it's the time of the test. Look, nice piece of sausage, the pasta, you got everything. It's a really, really good soup. And with a nice little glass of wine, I hope everybody make and you let me know. Cause this soup, it is good. Salute cin cin ad everybody. I salute everybody. Salute. Thank you so much.